In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create buildings with rooms and/or fields with sections for your Cropsify Connect company site. Tap the head to open your profile page, then tap the company card. Tap Building A. Edit the default unit to make it your own. It can be a building or field. You may add more units as you need them. You'll create rooms with phases inside the unit. Depending upon your business activities, you will need to create specific types or phases to suit the activities. The phases control the workflow of your starting materials and final cannabis products. Tap the Create button next to Rooms. Enter a room name. Enter the room size in square feet. Select the main purpose. When creating a room, you must consider the purposes for the room. Think about which platforms will be in this room, and what are the activities you will be completing in there. The rule is, specific platforms are only allowed to be moved to a specific phase type. Make a note of the following definitions and find documentation in our knowledge base. The propagation phase is for seeds or clones. The vegetation phase is for veg plants. The mother phase is for veg plants or clones. The bloom phase is for flowering plants. The harvest phase is for flowering plants. The dry phase is for fresh cannabis. The bulk containment phase is for dried or fresh cannabis. The curing phase is for fresh cannabis. The holding and release phases are for any finished plant form, like dried, pure intermediary, extract, edible, or topical. The processing phase is required to create a sublot in order to create a final cannabis product. The plant release phase is to stage veg plants for sale. The packaging phase is for any final cannabis plant form. If a room may be used for multiple activities and plant forms, then select any other purposes required for the same room. There are other optional purposes you may use, including lab, feed, utility, storage, office, and hall. These are all reserved for future exciting features we may be adding in future versions of Cropsify Connect. That brings me to the end of this lesson, but if you want more on how to import starting materials, visit the knowledge base at cropsconnect.com or tap the help menu in the app. Goodbye and thanks for watching.